So today we're going to talk about zebras. I decided to use PowerPoint presentation because that seems easiest for third, fourth, fifth graders to learn. I'm pretty sure they start learning PowerPoint in like second grade. My kids did at their schools anyway. So first, I'm just going to go with a simple background. I'm going to type in the word zebra. Then next we're going to go to what is a zebra. So we would click the insert button. We would then click where we would add another slide. And on mine, I decided to insert, so I hit the insert button. And I went online to find pictures. If you have pictures on your computer already that you've downloaded because you've been on a vacation or something, or you just have pictures of zebras, and that's fine. So then, what is a zebra? An African wild horse with black and white stripes. Just give the simple definition. So the next slide, we're going to find out where zebras live. So you can do many different ideas on this. There's many different layouts. It usually gives you design ideas on the right side of your screen, so you could pick any way you wanted to set it out. Next, let's find out what zebras eat. So we find out what zebra eat and we go through. Now this would be after we've read a book on zebras, or we've already learned, watched a video on zebras, and then each student would go. I would have an example of a PowerPoint already made, and then the students could go and figure out, make their own PowerPoint with things, not even on a zebra. They could use any animal that they wanted to. So this would be pretty simple for a young student to do and make. PowerPoint is really easy to make, and I believe that it's very useful and beneficial, and it's easy for you to go through and teach children how to do a PowerPoint, especially on an overhead projector or a smartboard.